Hello students, good morning.
Morning, sir.
Am I
Good
audible?
morning, sir.
Good morning. Am I audible?
Yes,
Good
sir.
morning, sir.
Okay, very good. Good morning, all of you. So please rename yourself. Write your enrollment number with your name. Please do it fast. Deepak Dagar, Deepak Sharma, Prashant, Got, Rohit.
सर एनरोलमेंट आईडी मिली नहीं है अभी.
Okay,
Yes,
okay,
sir.
okay. We will provide you enrollment ID. Okay.
Okay, sir.
But name,
Okay.
write your name. Like who is the Zoom user? Please write your name, Zoom user. Who got their enrollment ID, write your name and enrollment ID both. Who have not able to get the enrollment ID, please write your correct name. Otherwise, I will remove from the session. Please rename yourself. Zoom user, who is Zoom user? Please rename. Zoom user, please rename yourself. Okay. Now it's okay. So students, you have any query, please let me ask first. We had discussed a few lectures previously, so you may ask.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
सर इस सब्जेक्ट के नोट्स कहाँ से करें?
You have received the books from library. आपको मिल गया
Okay.
लाइब्रेरी से बुक?
No, sir.
So please take book from the library. Okay, and refer them, read them, and if you feel any issue, na, then you can ask me. I will also
Okay,
will
sir.
share you my can say PPTs to you, and from them you also read. But better you read the textbook. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Any other
सर
issue?
कभी भी बुक
Yes,
ले
please.
सकते हैं?
हाँ, if you have
Okay, sir.
submitted fees, na, then you can take any time. You come here and
Yes, sir.
you take your book.
Okay.
Anyone? Anyone who has issue? Okay, students. So my voice is clear to all.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. So what I have done you, I have put a link for attendance in the chat box. You click this link and mark your attendance. Then we will start our discussion. All are BPharm students now? You all are BPharm students?
Yes, sir.
Okay. No one from diploma? No one from diploma first? Very good. So all are the bachelor. All are from the BPharm first year. So students, click this link and mark your attendance. It's done.
Yes, sir.
Very good, Jatin. Now others.
सर
Hmm.
पर मेरे को ना तो एनरोलमेंट आईडी मिली है ना कोई पासवर्ड वगैरह मिला है, आउट ऑफ पासवर्ड वगैरह.
Okay.
यस सर.
Students, I will give you in the second half. And also 2 o'clock, we have another class for inorganic chemistry. So I will give you Prasant and all. Yeah.
यस सर.
कैसे करनी है सर मार्क अटेंडेंस?
बेटा आपको एक चैट के अंदर हमने एक लिंक दिया है अटेंडेंस का. चैट बॉक्स जानते हैं आप? देखिए.
हाँ सर वहां तक निकल गया. उसमें ये आ रहा है, डेट लिख रही है आज की और उसके आगे प्रेजेंट निकला है. उस पर क्लिक कर दिया और फिर कुछ हो ही नहीं रहा सर.
नहीं होगा, आप बाकी लोग कर रहे हैं ना. एक बार दोबारा ट्राई करिए. जतिन ने कर दिया है. एनीवन हैज सबमिटेड मिस पुट देयर अटेंडेंस? कौन कर चुका है?
सर मैंने कर दिया.
यस, आदित्य सिंह ने कर दिया है. और किसने कर दिया है?
क्लिक तो कर दिया सर, कुछ नहीं हो रहा उससे.
नहीं बेटा, उसमें क्लिक करोगे उसमें ऑप्शन खुलेगा मिस अटेंडेंस एब्सेंट और प्रेजेंट. एब्सेंट और प्रेजेंट.
जो ये लिख रहा है सर स्टेटस के नीचे प्रेजेंट प्रेजेंट, इस पे
ओके. बेटा आप उसमें क्लिक करिए. एम ऑडिबल? या. सो आप उसमें क्लिक करिए, वहां पे प्रेजेंट में आप क्लिक करेंगे, फिर उसको कंटिन्यू कर दीजिए. क्लियर हो पाया? हुआ या नहीं बेटा, बताएं एक बार.
नो सर. सर अटेंडेंस पे से क्लिक कर दिया सर, ओपन नहीं हो रहा वो.
क्या चीज ओपन नहीं हो रहा?
नहीं हो रहा सर.
क्या चीज ओपन नहीं हो रहा बेटा?
सर नहीं.
उस प्रेजेंट पर क्लिक करने के बाद कुछ भी ओपन नहीं हो रहा सर, कंटिन्यू ही नहीं आ रहा.
बाकी स्टूडेंट ने कर दिया है. ओके. जिसका कंटिन्यू, जिसका हुआ है वो ट्राई करें, जिसका नहीं हुआ है देन आई विल मार्क द अटेंडेंस. ओके, मैन्युअली. ठीक है.
सर जी हो ही ना तो.
इसका हो गया है, इट्स ओके. नहीं हुआ है तो आई विल मार्क द अटेंडेंस. Is it?
कंटिन्यू कर दिया सर।
हो गया?
यस सर।
मैं कौन करके दे हेलो सर मेरी अटेंडेंस नहीं हुई है अभी सर बहुत रही हुई काम
बेटा जिसका अटेंडेंस हो गया है
सर दोबारा से लिंक भेज दें एक बार।
हाँ भेज देते हैं बेटा, भेज देते हैं।
मुझे अटेंडेंस तब भी नहीं हुई है
सर
बोलिए।
आपको आपके पास आ गई हमारी अटेंडेंस?
बेटा आपने सबमिट कर दी ना तो आ जाएगी, डोंट वरी। ठीक है, चलो मैं देख के बता दूँ। दीपक, दीपक, दुर्गेश, हर्षिता, मोहित, प्रशांत, सागर,
यस सर
शिवम, आदित्य, अभिषेक, जतिन।
सर कौन सा प्रशांत है सर? 2 प्रशांत हैं।
प्रशांत, ओके। प्रशांत जिसका एनरोलमेंट आईडी 134 है, लास्ट में 134।
ओके सर।
तो इन लोगों का
Yes, sir.
अटेंडेंस हमारे पास आ चुका है। We have received the attendance of these students. Rest also we can
एक्सक्यूज
then
मी
mark.
सर।
आदित्य।
सर मैं भी वो मूडल देख रहा था तो उसमें एक असाइनमेंट आ रखा है,
हाँ हाँ,
तो सर वो अभी करके देना है जस्ट।
आपको पहले से दिया था बेटा, आपको पहले करना था वो। I have
Okay,
given
sir.
you before 2-3 days. You have to submit, and this I think today is the last day.
Okay sir, I don't know about that.
Yeah,
Sorry.
you were absent, I think, this class. So please.
I was absent on that day.
Okay. So you can share. You can go through there. There is a question written. You have to solve it out, and again in the PDF format you have to upload.
Okay sir, okay.
Yeah, done. Next, who is asking?
सर एक बार चेक करना सर अटेंडेंस लगी है सर सुमित नईम जी।
Sumit.
यस सर
मेरी भी चेक कर लेना एक बारी जतिन।
Sumit and Jatin. Sumit, yes, roll number enrollment of 172. It's okay.
यस सर
And Jatin, enroll number 91. It's okay.
सर
Anyone?
सर प्राची देखना।
Prachi.
सर मोहित की भी देखना है एक बार।
Mohit and roll number 111 is okay. Prashant and Prachi. Prashant, I have told you 134 is okay, but 135 is not there. Actually 134 का हो गया, 135 का नहीं हुआ।
सर हो ही नहीं रहा।
सर प्राची की हो गई?
Prachi, you have done Prachi Sharma. Roll number 132.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Okay, students, you understood ना things how to mark the attendance. जिसका नहीं हो रहा है तो I will take a snapshot. There is 18 students present here, so I am taking a screenshot and I will mark your attendance manually. Don't worry. जो स्टूडेंट्स रह जाएगा उसका मैं मैन्युअली अटेंडेंस कर दूंगा। डोंट वरी, इट्स क्लियर। So now we can start our discussion. Is okay? Yes, students.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 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 So students, there is the two things. Previously we had discussed about the basics of the chemistry. So shall we continue that one, or we can start our syllabus? What do you want?
Sir, from the syllabus.
Yes, Aditya. What is your
Yes, sir,
suggestion? What
from
do you
the
want?
syllabus, you can.
Yes?
You can start syllabus. Yes.
Syllabus we have to start.
Yes.
So majority you want this syllabus? Yes or no? Prashant Singh tell me that start syllabus. Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, done.
Yes, sir.
Good. So basics you can do yourself. It would be very good for me if you are able to do your basics yourself. Okay. So now I'm sharing you. I'm starting the syllabus of pharmaceutical analysis part basically. So students can able to see my screen.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Am I audible? Everything is okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Now I will teach you pharmaceutical analysis, as well as also I will teach you the pharmaceutical inorganic chemistry. So in the second half at the 2 p.m. we will start another class for pharmaceutical inorganic chemistry. Today we are starting about pharmaceutical analysis. So first point of this unit is the what introduction about the pharmaceutical analysis. I think you understood that what is the meaning of analysis. Analysis means measurement, analyzed, to be analyzed, quantitative or qualitative, analyzed. What is meaning of quantitative and qualitative? Have you heard the word of these? Qualitative and quantitative? Quantitative quantitative and another is the qualitative. Qualitative. Students, are you able to know what is meaning of the quantitative and qualitative? QUALI. Qualitative and quantitative. Who can answer me? Anyone?
Qualitative can be called as how much the compound or the substance is pure.
In
Does it
what?
contain any impurities and like that? And
Why?
in quantitative, how much the product we are getting or yes, sir.
Very good. Very good, Aditya Singh. Qualitative It means identification. And qualitative means to calculate the quantity, amount.
Amount or number
Yes,
of something.
that is come. So to determine the quantity of any substance come under the quantitative analysis, and the qualitative means to identify the substance. For example, everyone in early morning, I think, drink milk. So milk is pure or milk is there or not. So we have to check that it's okay, it's pure, milk is pure or not. So we have to go for the different tests. So the testing part of the milk come under the qualitative part, is identification. And when we are taking the milk, is 1 liter milk. So how to check 1 liter? You have to measure it by using, that is come under the qualitative. Means quantitative. So quantity we want to check it out. Quantity. Clear, students?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
you understood the meaning of the quantitative and qualitative?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, students, I have shared with these slides previously. These are the syllabus for pharmaceutical analysis. You can take a snapshot also if you don't have snapshot of this slide. As per the PCI, this syllabus for you for the pharmaceutical analysis theory. So first unit that we will discuss about what pharmaceutical analysis as a definition and scope, that today we will discuss. Then we will discuss different techniques of analysis. We will discuss method of expression concentration. We will discuss primary or secondary standard. We will discuss the the standardizations and preparations of some solutions, molar and normal solutions like oxalic acid, hydroxylic, sodium hydroxide, HCl, hydrochloric acid, sodium thiosulfate, sulfuric acid, potassium permanganate, steric ammonium sulfate. So that we will discuss about how to prepare and how to standardize them. Also in the same unit, we will discuss about the errors, because we are performing analytical procedure or practicals now. So we can make some error, manual error or some instrumental errors. So different errors we will discuss. Source of error, types of error, method to minimize the error, accuracy, precision, and significance or significant figures that we will discuss. Is it okay? Next, we will discuss about the pharmacopoeia. What is the Indian pharmacopoeia? We will discuss about the sources of impurity. What are the source of impurity, from where the impurity may occur in drug? So that we will discuss. And we will discuss about how to detect the impurity, means limit tests. So students, this portion this syllabus is same for pharmaceutical analysis, as well as also it is included in the pharmaceutical inorganic chemistry. So this point we will discuss in inorganic chemistry, not here, because it is same for both. It is also included here in analysis, as well as this topic is also included in pharmaceutical inorganic chemistry. So we will discuss over there. So this is about the first unit. Clear to all? Shall I move?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is the next slide. You can take the snapshot of it. Second and third unit. If you have your syllabus, you have syllabus with you, then it's okay. If you don't have, then you can take the snapshot. Okay. So in this topic, what we will discuss the second unit, we will discuss about the acid-base titration. I think you have performed in school level about the titration, titrimetric analysis. So acid-base titration we will discuss over here. What is the meaning of acid-base? This all theory and principle that we will discuss, how to perform, that we will discuss. Non-aqueous titration means solvent will not be aqueous, means water will not take here. Other than water, for titration we can talk as a solvent. So that we will discuss non-aqueous. Okay, students. So that is the second unit. Third unit we will discuss about precipitation titrations. You know, when some solutions we are mixing together, na, then something the liquid, when two liquids are mixed together, then solid particle formed, precipitate is formed. So that types of titration is called as precipitation titration. So that we will discuss. Okay. So in this way, Moore method, Wollard's method, that we will discuss. What do you meaning? You don't bother here. We will discuss. Then we will discuss this unit, this topic. We will discuss over here. I'm sharing you all syllabus. Introduction to the syllabus we can say. Okay. Then we have to discuss about the complexometry titrations. You know, when you're adding EDTA, ethylene, what is the full form of the EDTA? EDTA.
Ethylene diamine tetraacetate.
Yes, ethylene diamine tetraacetate, EDTA. Okay, EDTA. Ethylene diamine tetraacetate. So when the EDTA is added with any, we can say ions like calcium ions, then they will form a salt or sodium ions like sodium iodide, calcium iodide. So that is called as complex. Okay, and this principle is used in the titration, that is called as complexometry titration. Clear, students? Next, we will discuss about the gravimetry. What is the gravimetry? In this titration, we will weigh the substance, weight, and compare the substance by weighing it. Okay, so in the gravimetry, we will weigh the substance and we will analyze. Okay,
आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही आपकी.
Okay, I'm trying again. I'm discussing that gravimetric analysis. So in the gravimetry, what we will
सर आवाज
discuss.
क्लियर नहीं आ रही.
Students, everyone has issue or some students have issue? I think his network is good from my end.
Yes, sir.
It's okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So students, if you have any issue from your end, na, please also change, or you can say look about your internet. There may be issue from your internet also. Okay, because
No, sir.
yeah.
पहले आपकी साउंड क्लियर नहीं थी.
Okay. Okay. Then it's okay. Then we will talk in this way. So what we are discussing here about gravimetric analysis. Gravimetry means we have to weight any substance, and by the difference in the weight, we can analyze it. What
आप भी नहीं आ रही है सर आपकी आवाज क्लियर.
Okay, I'm trying again. I think voice is clear from my end. I don't know how it is issue. Okay, I will try again. So what we will discuss here, I have told you the precipitation titration here. The precipitation, when the two liquids get mixed together, na, then one precipitate will formed. So okay, so the precipitate that can filter out, and the filtrate can be weighed. and weighted amount, that is difference, can be measured in gravimetry analysis. So we will discuss detail when we discuss about gravimetry analysis. Okay. And last one, another topic that is only left in this unit, that is diazotization titration. Students, you know diazotization reaction? Have you read in your organic chemistry? I am drawing the structure of the diazotized reaction. Let me. You know, have you seen this structure of what? Aniline? Aniline, when reacted with NaNO3, sodium nitrite, NaNO2, sorry, sodium nitrite, in the presence of HCl and 0 to 5 degree centigrade temperature, what will happen? A diazotized salt will be formed. I think you have seen in your school level that an
Yes, sir.
triple bond
Yes,
and Cl. This with the positive charge, here with the negative charge. And this is the benzene diazonium salt, diazonium chloride. Benzene
diazonium chloride.
diazonium chloride. Have you remember?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Diazonium chloride. Okay, diazonium salt particles. Okay, so by using this reaction, we can analyze aniline. Okay, so diazotization reaction, we will also discuss here the basics of diazotization reaction in this unit. Clear, students? Now, my voice is okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good one.
Yes, sir.
So shall I move to the next part?
Sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
So this is the another slide for your syllabus. You can take snapshot of it if you want. So this is again the 4th unit, redox titration. You know redox reaction? What is the meaning of redox reaction?
Yes, sir.
What
In
is the-
which both oxidation and reduction take place.
Yes, exactly. In the reaction with the oxidation and reduction takes place, that is called as oxidation reaction. And that by using the oxidation reaction, some titration, some analysis may take place, that is come under the redox titration, that we will discuss here. About the concept of oxidation reduction, what is the meaning of oxidation reaction, what is the meaning of reduction reaction, then types of titration reaction, redox titration, that we will discuss. Also we will discuss about the serimetry. I will text you ceric ammonium nitrate reaction with the ceric ammonium nitrate, iodometry reaction with the iodine, iodometry reaction with the KBr, bromometry, dichlorometry, titration with the potassium iodide. Okay. So that we will discuss in detail when we will discuss about the redox titration. And last unit, students, that the 5th unit, that we will discuss about the electrochemical method of analysis. Electrochemical method of analysis means some electric part will be there, electric part, potential part, electricity. So electric chemical reaction will take place. So in this method, some electric and chemical reactions, that is both simultaneously. So that is common this method, these methods like conductivity meter, when the reaction will take place, so some conductance will be there, means flow of current. So by using this one, we will analyze some compounds or some, you can say, quantity of the some solutions. We will discuss potentiometry analysis, some potential difference. Potential difference, you understood the potential difference? I think you understood. V is equal to IR. Yes, have you heard about students? Potential,
Yes, sir.
electricity, and this is, what is this R?
Resistance.
Resistance. Yes. So this is the relation you have seen in your school level also. So yes. So this is the difference, voltage means potential difference, delta V, voltage, you can say voltage difference. So by using this voltage difference, some chemical reactions also can analyze, some solutions can be analyzed by using the potentiometry methods or instruments. So we will discuss over here. Is it? And lastly, the polarography. Okay, so polarography, what happened? One in this one graph will be there in the case of potential difference and current. Potential difference and current. Okay, so that we will discuss what is the meaning of this. So we will discuss in polarography, and some also some compounds like that is also we discuss, we can analyze by using this one. So this is about your introduction about your whole syllabus, students, and we will discuss one by one. Don't worry, every concept will be clear for every chapter, any topic, every topic I will clear you, and we will discuss in detail. Is it okay? So now,
Yes.
shall I move now? It's
Yes,
clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
good.
sir.
So I think some are in the waiting list. I'm adding. Okay, Aditya Singh and Mohit. Okay, good. So now, okay. So this is slides for your practical. That also we will discuss. I'm discussing here only for in the very brief. You can take snapshot of it also. We will design the practicals as per the syllabus. What are the limit tests are there in your syllabus? Preparation and standardization of the compound is there. Some assay. What is the meaning of assay? Determination of the concentration. Concentration determination means quantitative analysis. That is called as assay. So assay and determinations of normality or electrochemical analysis. So the practicals, practicals all are based on the theory. We have discussed now all theories, electrochemical methods. So we have to perform the practicals on base that. We have discussed the quantitative method. Am I audible? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good. So the quantitative method, that assay analysis that we will discuss, and the preparation of these compounds that also we will discuss, and assay the limit test, the qualitative test that also we will discuss. So this is the syllabus for you, and these are the some textbooks then you can refer, and that as a reference recommendation book, Vogel's, that is very good book, Vogel's textbook for quantitative analysis. Students, you can refer it. Okay, if it is not possible, then you can refer some other books like some Indian writer book. This one, the Goody Raw, it's okay, it's good one for inorganic chemistry, as well as you can also take Bentley and Driver. This one, Brackett and Still is very good book. Brackett and Stanley. Okay, practical book and as well as theoretical aspect also. Okay. Chatwal is also very good book for analysis. Chatwal, you can also take Chatwal. Okay.
Gurdeep Chatwal wali, sir.
Which one?
Gurdeep Chatwal wali, sir.
Yes. Okay. So there are many books. You can refer anyone, and there is no issue. Okay, these are some standard books that written over here. You can refer it. Okay, students. This Guru Rao, this is for inorganic chemistry. It also includes this limit test and all these subject topics. I have told you that both topics are same in inorganic as well as the analysis. Is it? Shall I move?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Very good. So now, students, today we are going to discuss about general introductions or meaning of the pharmaceutical analysis. So as I discussed with you, what is the meaning of analysis? As the definition I have written over here, you can read it. That pharmaceutical analysis may be defined as the applications of analytical procedure used to determine the purity, safety, and quantity of drugs and chemicals.
Quality.
Purity, safety, and quality. And also you can add the quality, quantity also. One term also you can add quantity. Quantity you can also add. Okay, quantity. Quantity. So what we have to check, pharmaceutical analysis, it is a branch of chemistry in which deals with the study about determinations of purity, safety, quantity, quality, and quantity of the drug or chemicals. Any chemicals, we can check it out, their purity, their safety, their quality, their quantity, by using different analytical methods or procedures. So in pharmaceutical analysis, what we can able to understand, we can determine, we can check the purity, safety, quantity, and quality of the drug, of any chemical compound. Not only drug, food also. Food material, that also come under the analysis. Food material, drug, that's why I'm putting the chemicals. You know, we are taking the food, you know, nowadays everyone eating the food from outside the home. So what happened, there may be the chances that some adulteration would be there in outside food. So, you know, Drug and Food Administration Department check these types of supplier, and you can say manufacturing areas where the production of food material takes place, and the inquiry, and they check it out, send the samples in laboratory, and the result will come, and everything is monitored by can say analytical department. And in pharmaceutical analysis is very important sector in the drug and food administration, as well as in drug also and food administration. In drug, you know, pharmaceutical industries, what happened, there is the quality control and quality assurance department is there. The production of the drug or the tablet, capsule, parenteral is there, then they will the product will send to the QA and QC department, and QA and QC department will check it out, their purity, their quality. And what will happen, when all criteria is get passed, then drug may able to enter into the market. Able to understand students definitions of pharmaceutical analysis?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone is clear? Everyone? Meaning of pharmaceutical analysis clear to all? Anyone want to ask any question? No one? Very good. So in this analysis, what we will discuss? Students, the topic that is included in your syllabus, that is not sufficient. That is not the complete analysis. In your syllabus, as a pharmaceutical analysis, the pharmaceutical analysis has divided into two parts, two sections. One section that we will discuss here in this semester, in the first semester, that is, basically it is considered about the titrimetric analysis, or which is called as titration methods. Titrimetric analysis or titration method that we have discussed now. Number of titration, acid-base titration, non-aqueous titration, potentiometry, then gravimetry, yeah, oxidation reduction, precipitation. So these all are their titration method. We are using titration method. So titrimetric analysis. So that is in your first semester. But other part, second part of analysis, this is the analysis first in your syllabus. Also, the analysis second is there, and it is called as instrumental analysis. Instrumental instruments we are using over here, and this you will read in the 7th semester, final year, 7th sem. Again, in this way, you will understood the meaning, the spectroscopy techniques. You will understood chromatographic techniques. You will understood spectrophotometric techniques. So these techniques we will discuss in 7th semester in analysis second. Here we will discuss about the titrimetry analysis only, in the pharmaceutical analysis first. Getting my point? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Shall,
sir.
shall I move?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So look at here, students, the quantitative analysis that I have told you. So there is qualitative analysis. Two parts we have divided in qualitative and quantitative. I have explained you the meaning of them. The qualitative is the identification. Yes, and quantitative is determine the quantity, amount, you can say amount. We can check it out, the amount. Okay, so what is the meaning of the qualitative analysis? In this we will detect the evolution, how we can identify qualitatively. Physical observation. By physical observation is like evolution of gases. So by detection, the evolution gases there in test tube, there is, if there is effervescence there, the bubbles are there, not smell is there or not. So this is, by this way we can check it out. So this is the one way of detection, that is evolution of gas. Okay. Second one, the formation of precipitate. I have told you, if the two liquids are mixed together, and if after the mixing there is solid precipitation will form, like white color, gray color, blue color, whatever may be. So white PPT, or when the precipitation is formed, so the precipitation, the solid particle is formed. So by the formation of precipitation, we also analyzed that something is there. We can check it out, we can analyze. Okay, we can also analyze by using the limit tests. What is the limit test? Limit tests basically they are semi-quantitative methods. Semi-quantitative, not quantitative, complete quantitative, semi-quantitative. So what happens? They ascertain the limits. You know, just for example, have you everyone used the water? So TDS of water. Have you heard about TDS of water? You know about TDS? What is the full form of TDS? Can you tell me, anyone?
Sir, repeat
TDS?
again.
You had not TDS of water?
No, sir.
I have heard, but I don't know the full form of that.
What is the meaning of TDS? Yeah, what is the meaning of TDS of water?
Check the amount of impurities or other harmful components in the water.
Yes. Okay. So same thing in the limit test. That is the TDS, meaning the trace dense substance. Trace, you can say trace amount of density substance that we can determine the TDS. This minimum amount or trace density substance that we can count it. Trace density means very less density substance, minute substance, in micrograms, in you can say milligrams or micrograms quantity, that we can also determine. So that is called as TDS. And in water, that this minimum less density substance is also mixable, is not visible by naked eyes in micrograms in size. So that can be also detected by some techniques or some instruments. So that is called as TDSO water. Okay. So similarly, in the limit test, also we will perform some specific test. So by, you can say, why happen, there is some precipitation will form, white precipitation, yellow precipitation. By using that precipitation, we can compare one standard, one you can say test. So standard and test, both color we can match it out, and by comparing them, we can say that limit is passed. Means, you know, the what our food contains some trace amount of, I can say, chloride, Cl minus, chloride. So the chloride, how we can determine that chloride is present, or yeah, we cannot remove completely chlorides because we are using the sodium chloride salt, NaCl, edible salt. So when we are using the food, so trace amount of chloride will be there, and trace amount of chloride is important for our health. But more amount of chloride, it will be harmful for us. So we have to take less amount of chloride concentration. So how we can check it out? How we can test that in our food the limited quantity of the chloride is there? We will go for the limit test. So we will, what will happen in limit test of chloride? That AgNO3, I will discuss with you. AgNO3, this is the silver nitrate, will react with the Cl minus, sodium chloride, you can say chloride ions, in the presence of HCl acid, H plus ions. What will happen? AgCl is formed. This AgCl is white PPT, white color PPT, precipitate. So if it is white PPT is there, then we can say the so amount of white PPT. Yes, white PPT will form, but what happen? We will take, one is the standard sample, another is the reference. This is the standard, and this is the test. So we will compare the visibility of the standard with the visibility of the test. The white color or precipitate is more in standard or more in test. If the test is shows the less number of solid particles than the standard, then our test is pass, more or equal. If it is, sorry, less and equal, if it is the white color or precipitate is more, then what happen? Our limit test get failed. So we cannot take that types of food and materials. So that is called as the limit test. Understood, students? We will again discuss in detail. You get a little bit about the introduction about limit test. Yes or no? Please reply.
सर
Yes, Rugesh.
वो स्टैंडर्ड में मोर हो गया लेस होगा?
स्टैंडर्ड में देखिए, हमेशा स्टैंडर्ड में कंसंट्रेशन अगर ज्यादा हो और टेस्ट में अगर कम हो, इट मीन्स कम वाला चलेगा। बट अगर ज्यादा हुआ इम्प्योरिटी, ये क्या है? इम्प्योरिटी है, एज इम्प्योरिटी। अगर इम्प्योरिटी ज्यादा हुई तो क्या होगा? हम वो मटेरियल तो नहीं खाएंगे ना। सो स्टैंडर्ड से कंपेयर में हमेशा या तो बराबर हो चलेगा या इससे कम हो, ज्यादा होगा तो नहीं चलेगा ना। Clear? So that is we discuss
Okay, sir.
limit test. Okay. So the color changes reactions. Some color changes reactions we can judge it out. You know, so when the color change takes place, then we can say something is there, something happened. So that we can identify. Melting point also, boiling point and melting point test. If substance is formed, so if the melting point reduce or boiling point reduce or melting point increase or boiling point increase by addition of some substance after the reaction, so we can check it out by the physical reactions. We can see, we can identify. So these are all are the qualitative methods. Clear, students?
Yes, sir.
These are all our qualitative methods by which we can identify. We can identify only, not quantitatively, identify qualitatively. Clear? So now, shall I move it? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next part is quantitative methods. So we could look at here by the chemical reactions, especially instrumental techniques, instrumental methods we have to use here in the quantitative. When we are talking about the quantity, na, instrument required, and that we will discuss in very little part here, like electrochemical methods, potentiometry, you can say polyrography, that we will discuss here in this semester. But mostly the important techniques or instruments, that is like instrumental methods and chromatic methods, HPLC, IR, NMR, mass, number of techniques. Don't worry, we will these are the part of 7th semester. Okay, you will discuss in 7th semester. So these are, so basically for the quantitative analysis, instrumental method of techniques we have to use to determine the any substance in the quantitative way. Okay. Okay, some biochemical bioassay and microbiological assay also. You understood bioassay and microbiological assay? Some microbiological substance like bacteria, fungi, they can also use for the determination of the drug and concentration. So that we will discuss. That is also not the part of here yours. It will, you will discuss in next classes, higher classes. Okay, so like chemical reactions that we will discuss here, like acid base titration, complexity titration, redox titration, non-aqueous, and precipitation, that we will discuss the titrimetric analysis. Although these titration are used only the quantitative way, not quantitative way, identification only, qualitative. But somewhat the semi-quantitative, we can say that by the comparison of the some methods or standards, we can compare that. Okay, it's less than that, it's okay. Means it will be the range of this much. हम उसके रेंज बता सकते हैं. That is called as semi quantitative method. We cannot say exactly this is the amount. This is amount, it can be only determined by instrumental methods. Okay, so that we will discuss. These are the electrochemical methods: potentiometry, conductimetry, polarimetry, voltammetry, and these only 3 are in your syllabus. Bolded 3, the rest are not there. So we will discuss. Okay, so these are spectrophotometric. That is, no, this is not your part. I am showing you the UV visible, IR radiations, atomic absorption spectroscopy, NMR, then flame photometry, flame emission photometry. These are 7th semester. We will discuss in next 7th semester. Gravimetry analysis like HPLC, TLC, SPTLC, paper chromatography, gas chromatography, mass spectroscopy, the refractive index, and some others, specific rotational also, biochemical assay methods. Okay, so I'm not discussing this in detail because this is not in your syllabus. We will I am showing you only that the part of analysis that we have to discuss. So basically that's all for today. From next class, from tomorrow, we will discuss about in detail about the titrimetric method that is in our syllabus. Students, you want to ask, you may please ask me if you have any query. Only little bit amount, you can say, introduction that we had discussed today. Introduction about the pharmaceutical analysis, definitions, your syllabus that we have discussed. Although the titrimetric methods, what is the redox method, what is the complexity method, that we will discuss again in the next class in detail, one by one. Okay. Do you have any issue, any problem, anything else you want to ask? Or shall I close now?
सर
Yes.
सर ऑफलाइन कब स्टार्ट होंगी?
Offline कब start होंगी? Exactly,
Yes, sir.
I cannot answer this question right now. Okay, because of when the notification will come, then you can say. But tentatively, I can say कि near about Diwali, you can say there may be some chances to open, or maybe in offline mode. Because of maybe the chances that the COVID may again reoccur. Okay,
Okay,
दोबारा आ
sir.
सकता है ना, ऐसी possibility है. So I think management or university is waiting for that. So we are waiting for some time, maybe up to the Diwali. That is I expect. But officially, when it will open, then the university will decide, and accordingly, then you will receive the notification. But yeah, probably is most probability that definitely offline will be start from after the Diwali. That I hope. Any query? Anything you want to ask?
No, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you for joining me, and we will meet in next class in at 2 p.m. for the inorganic chemistry. Okay. Thank you. I will share you link
Thank you,
for
sir.
inorganic chemistry. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.